Are you searching for the simplest approach to creating amazing Instagram stories in 2026? In today's video, we'll take a look at Instories, the mobile app that served countless users who create content for their reels, stories, and even videos. So, what is Instories? Instories is a comprehensive photo and video editing mobile application for iOS and Android platforms. It was created to allow for the creation of social media content such as Instagram stories, TikTok, Reels, and Facebook posts. Users have access to over 1,000 different templates, which can be customized according to the occasion holiday, business, lifestyle, education, and more. Within stories, users can turn their ordinary photos into animated and professional looking designs in just seconds. Now, let's take a look at its characteristics for creatives. It has a huge collection of templates. Hundreds of professional templates designed for use on Instagram's 9 by 16 story format, which includes reels and regular posts. It has AI based enhancement tools, background removal, animation, and various other editing functions using artificial intelligence without requiring any expertise. Then it has support for multiple platforms, compatible with Snapchat and TikTok, as well as several other platforms for cross posting purposes. And lastly, it has music and media add ons. Use of an enormous collection of songs, stickers available in the program's media library. Then let's talk about pricing and rating. The InStories application enjoys good ratings, ranging from 4.5 to 4.8 stars, based on user reviews of the ease and templates within the app. Although the application can be downloaded for free, access to all functions of the app requires you to have a paid subscription. The price of subscribing to Pro by the year of 2026 ranges between $7.99 to $9.99 monthly and $55 annually. Here are the pros and cons. For pros, dead easy drag and drop even for people without design skills. It has template gallery that will save you hours of time, and it has mobile only platform which ensures that the software is light and responsive for mobile edits. For its cons, paid subscription is needed to create professional quality content and get rid of the watermark. It has limited layer editing possibilities compared to desktop software like Canva, possible slowdowns on old phones when exporting videos in high resolution. So, will it stay the easiest in 2026? Yes, for individuals working alone on their content or who want to be influencers, InStories is still among the easiest Instagram stories creating platforms because of the mobile friendly speed and templates without the complexity of Adobe Express.